Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to share with you my favorite supreme chocolate cheesecake. This is decadent and indulgent, super delicious cheesecake. It's like a truffle, but in a cheesecake form. I know you're going to love it, and let's get started. First, we'll crush the Oreo cookies in a food processor until fine crumbs, and then stir in melted butter and pulse it until well combined. Now put the mixture into the 9-inch springform pan and press the cookie mixture evenly to cover the bottom of the pan. Bake it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Now let's make the batter. Melt the chocolate in the microwave until nice and smooth. I usually melt mine at 50% power in 30-second increments, stirring every 30 seconds to prevent burning the chocolate. Now, in a large mixing bowl with whisk attachment, beat softened cream cheese until fluffy. It's important to let the cream cheese soften before whipping to prevent lumpy mixture. Now pour in sweetened condensed milk and beat until nice and smooth. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Now let's add sour cream and give it another good stir. Add flour, espresso powder, vanilla extract, and salt. Espresso powder is optional, but it enhances the chocolate flavor. Next, let's add the melted chocolate and mix it well until smooth. Pour the batter into the prepared crust, smooth out the top, and bake it for about 1 hour in water bath at 350 degrees. The center of the cheesecake should be slightly wobbly but almost set. Open the oven door jar and cool it for an hour. To remove the cake from the pan, carefully run a knife around the edges and remove the sides. Cool the cake until room temperature and then refrigerate for at least a couple of hours, or preferably overnight. To make the ganache topping, heat cream in a microwave until hot and pour it over chocolate. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then stir until smooth. Immediately pour the ganache over the cheesecake, chill the cheesecake until set, and serve. I really hope you will try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I would love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment down below when you make it. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.